opportunity. Maybe
Oh,
tomorrow.
I didn't either. I got some gift cards. I didn't get a chance to go to the mall today. But I'll tell you what, if you did, you had a great day to do so. Tomorrow, if you're headed out to the mall, well, it's a different story. Let's look at our WeatherBug network here. Out over East Toledo, you can see pretty quiet conditions out there with our camera high atop the Maritime Academy. Let's look at some temperatures across the area on our WeatherBug network. And temperatures are pretty much in the 32 to 34 degree range. Right now we have 34 degrees here at the WNWO studios with a light southwest wind. As we look at Toledo Express Airport, they're down to 32 degrees. I expect temperatures to stay in this range with that south wind at about 5 miles per hour and at times up to 10 miles per hour. So I'm not expecting temperatures to go too far from that 32, 33, 34 degree range. Let's look at WNWO triple Doppler here, and I got it really widened out here. You can see all this moisture coming across Mississippi, Alabama, through Tennessee, and then lifting on up towards the north. The front of the rain shield is pretty much right at I-70 from about Indianapolis to Dayton, and even we have some light rain extending up into the Chicago area, and that's all associated with that low pressure on down to the south that will continue to lift on up to the north and east. Closer in here, I have the satellite data laid over. You can see clouds are generally on the increase, and we do have some very light showers near the Muncie, Indiana area at the bottom of your screen and going towards the Indianapolis area. So your forecast tonight right up front here, we have mostly cloudy skies, a rain or a wintry mix developing towards sunrise, steady temperatures. Like I said, temperatures not going very far from that 32, 33 degree mark with the southwest wind, a south wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our high temperature today at Toledo Express was 44 degrees after morning low temperature of 33. Sunrise tomorrow morning is at 8:01, and we gained a minute today. Sunset this evening was at 5:11. All right. We'll start wide here. This is pretty much the broad picture. Area of low pressure lifting up towards the north and towards the east. You can see the rain out ahead of it, spreading into Ohio and northern Indiana and into southern Michigan. And then you can see snow on the backside of it tomorrow afternoon. We'll go over timing issues here in just a second, but you see this secondary cold front coming in. Not too much moisture associated with it, but what it's really going to bring in tomorrow night is the cold air. And it will be windy tomorrow night with temps in the 20s, and that wind chill reading around 10 degrees. And then as we head towards Wednesday, high pressure builds on in, and we're looking for a nice day on Wednesday. Wednesday, besides from today, probably looking like the nicest day out of them all. But as we head towards tomorrow morning, 8:15 a.m. temperatures, 33 Bowling Green, 34 Port Clinton, out towards the west, 33 Wauseon. A rain, snow, wintry mix out towards the west. Generally rain for all of us here in northwest Ohio, except, like I said, if you're out towards Wauseon, Defiance, south winds at about 10 miles per hour. Notice this pink line back on out towards the west. That represents our rain-snow line here, and our computer model at 1245 has it roughly from about Monroe back towards Toledo and Napoleon. From there westward, it changes to all snow. From Napoleon eastward, it's still rain. Timing's going to be huge tomorrow. If you switch over to snow a touch early tomorrow, we're going to add to the snowfall accumulations. If it's a little later, we're going to cut down on the accumulations. I'll tell you about that in a second. But these are 2:30 temperatures, and our high temperatures will go 35 Toledo, 33 to Adrian, 33 Napoleon, 32 Wauseon, and I think the snow will be flying at 2:30 in Wauseon out towards Defiance. Still, rain out towards Port Clinton and Tiffin. Now, as we head towards 4 o'clock, I think it's all snow for our area, and you see temperatures starting to fall. 32 Toledo, 32 Monroe at 4:30. Now, as we head towards tomorrow night, notice the back edge of the snow starts to move on off towards the west. Look at these winds out of the northwest, 15 to 25 and at times gusting to 30. That will send wind chill readings into the teens. And then as we head towards Wednesday morning, do we start out chilly with temperatures near that 20-degree mark. But like I said, Wednesday looking dry. We see pretty much partly sunny skies as we head towards the daytime on Wednesday. Now, these are snowfall totals, but like I said, subject to change with a sooner or later changeover. Right now from 75 west, I have 2 to 4 inches. Later changeover, closer to 2. A sooner changeover, about 4 inches of snow. Same out towards the east, Port Clinton, Tiffin, about 1 to 3 inches of snow. A quicker changeover, closer to that 3 mark. A later changeover, closer to that 1 inch mark by Tuesday morning. And before I go, I want to show you our RPM computer model. And these are our snowfall totals generated by our in-house computer model. Right now, it's thinking about 0 to 2 pretty much across the entire area. But back on off towards the west, out towards northern Indiana, looking at about 2 to 4 inches of snow. So, as we look at our 10-day trend here. We're looking at temperatures that will be in the mid-30s tomorrow, chilly on Wednesday. Another system comes in on Thursday, 37 degrees, 38 on Friday, and then New Year's Eve, Hubert, looking like we're going to wrap up 2011 wet like we wrapped up last year, but our first day of the new year, temperatures will be in the 40s.